Hello friends, I am Vittal Jadhav. Welcome all of you to the FAME Academy. Today we are going to learn how to multiply two-digit number by two-digit number just in head or orally. So friends, there are many methods to multiply two numbers. Let us understand what is meant by multiplication. Multiplication is nothing but progressive addition of number with itself. Example 3 into 4 means adding 3 4 times to itself, or adding 4 3 times to itself. So one way to multiply the number by other number is nothing but divide and conquer strategy, friends. Example 76 into 14. So multiplying number with any other number ending with 0 is very easy. So we can multiply 70 by 14 easily, and then multiply 6 by 14. So 7 by 14 is nothing but 98. So here it is 980, 980. 17 plus 6 into 14 is nothing but 84. So this is nothing but 1064, friends. Now there is traditional method. This is the nothing but traditional method, friends. First we multiply unit digit number of 14 into 6, or 4 into 76, that is nothing but 304. These are nothing but number of units. Now we multiply tens digit. We multiply multiplicand by tens digit. So 76 into 1 is nothing but 76, and these are nothing but number of tens. So we write it from tens place. And after now all digit in multiplier are over, so we just add all these partial products, that is 4, 6 and 7 plus 3 10. So 1064 is our answer. Now let us learn superfast method to multiply two digit number by other two digit number mentally. 84 into 12. We know it is orally answer is 1008, friends. Now let us verify our new superfast method. First multiply tens digit, that is 8. Now multiply unit digit. 4 into 2 is nothing but 8. Write it as 08, that is two digit number. So 8 appended with 08, it becomes 808. This is the first number, and we remember it in our head. Now we cross multiply this digit. So 8 into 2 16, 1 into 4 is 4, so 20. These are nothing but number of tens, so 20 considered as 200. So in head we have to add 200 and 808. So this is nothing but 1008. So this is the so simple, friends. $34 into 56. Let us see. So our first is 3 into 5 is 15 and 4 into 6 is 24. So 1524 is the first number and we remember it in head. Now 3 into 6 outer product, that is 18, and inner product 4 into 5 20. So this is nothing but 38. That means 380. We have to add mentally 1524 plus 380 means 1524 plus 300, it is 1824 plus 80, that is nothing but 1904. Now let us check it by another method. So what is the another method? Divide and conquer strategy. We know 34 into 100 is nothing but 3400 and 34 into 50 is half of that. So that is 1700. Now 34 into 6 is nothing but 30 into 6 is 180 friends, and 6 into 4 is 24. So all it gives mentally 1904. So this is easy, isn't it? So let us take one more example. 63 into 23. So there are number of methods for it. So by our method, 6 into 2 12 and 3 into 3 is 9. So 1209 means 1209. And now 6 into 3 is 18 plus 3 into 2 is 6. So 6 into 3 18 plus 3 into 2 6. So 24, and that means 240. So 24 are number of tens, so 240. So we have to add 1209 and 240. So it is nothing but 1200 and 200 1400, and 9 and 14 is nothing but 49. So 1449. Now check by another method. So 63 into 20 is nothing but 1260 plus 63 into 3 is nothing but 189, and it is orally gives 1449. Or divide and conquer strategy. So another method is there by friendly concept. What is the friendly concept? We multiply number with our one of the friends. 63 into 22. It is far easy. So 63 into 22 is nothing but friends 126 into 11. Now multiplying by 11 is child's play. So 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 6 8 and 6 1386, and add one more 63 to it. So it is 1449. So now friend, you practice more and more, and you can multiply any number by 2, any 2-digit number by 2-digit number orally. So take this as the practice example. 73 into 63 to 64 into 46 33 into 55, and write down it in comment. Thanks for watching this video. For more and more such videos, more and more such tricks, concept, subscribe to our channel. Also, you can join my new course on superfast mathematics. That is superfast mathematics. Uh, in our course, I am going to teach 21st generation mathematics. It involves many new methods, shortcuts, and master concept. By using you can calculate any addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square root, etc. just within 2 to 3 lines, or you can, with lot of practice, you can also calculate it in your heads. Thanks friends. Thanks for watching.